is Nelson Michael. I am from Bombay. I'm staying in Borodi. And I had an heart attack in the month of June. And I went for treatment. And after that, I did an angiography where I was found that I had multiple blockage. And due to that reason, I was supposed to go for open heart surgery. On 5th of August, I was admitted 3rd of August in Holy Family Hospital for open heart surgery. And during that process, when they did a 2D echo, they found a heart valve leakage, which can cause a problem to my kidney because I am a CKD patient. If they do both together, the machine, heart has to be kept machine outside, and the process would have taken long, so it was a risk to do that operation. So we were searching, and Dr. Nitin Gokle from Holy Family Hospital, he recommended Dr. Rao, because Dr. Rao comes in Lilavati every Friday, and I went to visit him, and he saw with all the documents, with all the recordings, he saw everything and he said, yeah, it's possible, don't worry. We can do this because we have the latest technology. We are putting Mitraclip on the heart valve where you can stop the leakages, and we can do an angiography for the blockage. Two major blockage can be removed by doing 2-wire
IVF.
2-wire IVF.
Angioplasty or IVF with IVF?
With IVF.
So,